Question number 76. The pair of metals which do not impart color in flame test is. Just remember that if we talk about alkali metals, they always impart color to oxidized flame. They show flame test. And if we talk about beryllium and magnesium, that is given here in option 2. Both of these will not show flame test because they have small size as well as they have high nuclear charge also. While lithium can impart color in flame test, sodium can also, potassium can also be. So the second option that's given here is representing the pair of metal which do not impart color in flame test. And the answer for this question is option 2. After this, question number 77. For alkali metal having electronic configuration, xenon 6s1, it means it is representing the configuration of alkali metal, that is cesium. And its configuration is represented in this way. Now, the correct statement you have to choose about cesium. First statement, its fluoride salt is most stable among its group member fluorides. If we talk about fluoride, the small sized anion, cesium is large sized cation, the fluoride is least stable, not most stable among group member fluoride. So that's why I put a cross here further. Its chloride is most soluble among its group member chlorides. If we talk about the solubility of the chloride, this statement is also not correct. It is not the most soluble among its group member chloride. That's why I'm also putting cross here. It is most reactive metal among its group. Yes, we know that as we move down the group, reactivity of metals increases, or the electropositive nature of the metals increases. Cesium is most electropositive element of the modern periodic table, as well as it is most reactive metal also. That's why the statement is correct further. It is the only member among its group which reacts with N2. This is not reacting with N2, while lithium reacts with nitrogen to form lithium nitride, and that is showing the diagonal relationship with magnesium also. So this statement is also wrong. Now, on this basis, I'll choose option 3 as the correct option for this question. After this, there is another question. Question number 78. When boric acid reacts with sodium carbonate, a white crystalline solid X is formed, which on heating above 750 degrees Celsius gives. So the clear hint is here that you have boric acid and it's going to react with sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3. During this reaction, there is the formation of a white crystalline solid, that is Na2B4O7. So here would be 4H3BO3, and after the reaction, there is the formation of CO2 and H2O also. So this would be the final product that you are just going to obtain. This is a white crystalline solid. It means this is our X. Now it is on heating above 750 degrees Celsius. It gives you NaBO2 along with that P2O3. This is basically the glassy bead that's formed there. It means these are the two products that you finally obtain, and where these are given here in option 4. So the answer is option 4. After that, question number 79, select the correct statement regarding borax. Again, the question on borax is there. What's borax? That is Na2B4O7.10H2O. In case of borax, there are 4 boron atoms. We have to choose the correct statement from the given options. Here we have the first statement. Boron is both sp2 and sp3 hybridized. In case of borax, there are 4 boron atoms. We know that, in which 2 are sp2 hybridized and 2 are sp3 hybridized. It means this statement is correct. Further, its aqueous solution is basic in nature. When you form the aqueous solution of this borax, you will obtain basic solution because there is boric acid as well as NaOH that's formed in the solution. That's why it's basic in nature. It is also correct. Oxidation state of boron is +3. If you calculate the oxidation state of boron, in case of borax, that is plus 3. You can clearly see here it would be plus 1 into 2 plus 4x plus 7 into minus 2, and it should be 0. And there would be x is equal to 12 by 4. It would be plus 3. It means this statement is also correct. And on that basis, we will see that all the statements are correct. That's why all of these is the option, and the answer is option 4. After this, there's another question. Question number 80. A compound A, when reacts with lithium aluminium hydride, it gives two compounds B and C along with lithium chloride. Compounds A, B and C respectively are. We have an unknown compound A. It when reacts with lithium aluminium hydride, they are the formation of B and C. Along with that, lithium chloride is formed. You need to just identify A, B and C all. So here, now if you look at this reaction, you will easily identify that this A is BCl3, boron trichloride. When it reacts with lithium aluminium hydride, I'm just writing the complete reaction here. This reaction occurs in the presence of ether, and there is the formation of B2H6, that is diborane. Along with that, there's the formation of the next compound, that is AlCl3, and along with that, lithium chloride is formed. So let me balance this also. This is the balanced reaction, and on the basis of this, we can see that this is compound A, this is B, and this is C. And on that basis, option 3 is correct one that I've chosen here. After this, there's another question.